Hi, there's an amazing business opportunity. Trust me, this opportunity no one is going to give you because everyone in the world right now they're investing millions of dollars to identify a business idea, and on that idea they want to in cash by making a lot of money. That can be any type of business idea. So, when I started uh, in e-commerce or the digital opportunities way back in 2015, I was looking for opportunities after opportunities and all. What I understood after a lot of this struggle, that the biggest challenge people face in today's time is a genuine information about how they can learn how to start an online business or how they can grow their online business successfully. So I started this institute called Indian Institute of E-commerce in India, and that was running well. Then I started working with top e-commerce companies also to help them with managing their day-to-day e-commerce operations management, giving coaching to their senior most professionals so that they can efficiently grow their business. Okay. While doing this whole thing, I learned one single thing, which is stopping all the businesses to grow them at a very rapid scale. That is the ongoing knowledge transfer on what is happening in the world, the new things basically. Okay, and this is where I have created a program where people can actually join me, work with me together, and I will be giving them courses to sell. That means if you join me, I will give you a business opportunity which is completely different from the rest of the world. 100% sharing on the online courses that are created by me. Why I'm doing it? It will help me for my self promotion or branding. That's all. For you, you get the 100% share. And all the backend support, trainings, whatever it is, that is all going to be taken care from my end, my team. Okay, me and my team. So how does it work? I'll give you one website. I'll just show it practically. That will help. That will be very helpful. Just give me a second. I'll just show you every single thing here. So here I go. This is the website. I hope you're able to see this screen right now. And this is the website. Okay. Now you can see this is my website, Indian Institute of E-commerce. I obviously this is where I am selling my programs. But what I will do, we look at this 36 major business categories. Like somebody wants to start an agriculture e-commerce business, or somebody want to start their clothing e-commerce business, or like example in agriculture, Redmart, or Myntra.com for apparel. Okay, automobile. There are so many big websites nowadays which are there, right? Big startups. So a person can learn how to start their own online business for a specific niche. So there are 36 major niches on which you can start an online business. Okay, so you will be getting a fully functional program page, payment gateway integrated in that, and some marketing creatives so that you can start sharing those programs online in social media channels so that you can grow this business. Okay, now let's assume for a moment that somebody wants to start jewelry e-commerce business. I'm just going to write about jewelry, WELRY, okay, and enter. What you see here is, for example, I'm just showing you, somebody wants to start a fine jewelry e-commerce business. So you get a page like this, where the whole information about the business is available, including the type of jewelry that is available, okay, that they can source, and they can start an e-commerce business for that. While they can also learn how they can make how much amount of money by starting an online business. So basically the program page includes complete detailing about a particular niche. Like this, you get a fully functional edtech business where you can show them that what all things they can learn from your course, and when they pay the fee, you get the entire 100% sharing in that. You got my point? It's an amazing opportunity, right? Like, you get a website, you get full support. So what I do, I have my own business which I run currently, which is called FitSummit. Okay, and in fitsummit.com, if you go, you check it, and you will find that this is the business program that is especially designed for fitness. Okay. Okay, we have this pop-up coming up so that the leads can be generated. Now look at this. This gives them the detail about like what type of fitness products are available and how much money they can make and all the details regarding this. While what we give you is a program page like this, and then the person who joins the program, they can pay the fee and the entire fee comes to you. What I suggest you, go to the e-learning program partner page at fitsummit.com. Here you can fill this inquiry form for partnership, and there's a demo video which is also available. Check out that. So this is basically a white level opportunity where you sell the courses and you make money 100% with you. Okay? What's the investment for this? $99 per month, that's all. We are not charging you $25,000, $30,000 basically. Here you get the whole ecosystem up and running, and you keep selling to hundreds and thousands of people every single week and make millions of dollars. By end of 4 or 5 years time, you'll be able to make millions, trust me. We have got so many people who are successful in this model. Okay, why we are suggesting you to become partner with us? So first of all, if you look at this health and fitness e-commerce startup business, so we are from India, and in India we have got a lot of these products which are of low cost. Okay, and the quality are really good. If you know, in the past, the ancient times, or you can say the medieval era, people across the world were coming to India for trade until the Britishers came and they just ruined the whole ecosystem, or you can say the ecology. So, my suggestion would be that visit our webpage, look into how you can take up this opportunity of selling the online courses that are available from our side, so that people can start their online business and they can become successful. So, if you are venturing into one of those product sales, that will be very good, because the 100% sharing itself, let's assume that it is $99 that you are paying us. You are hardly paying us for 12 students if you are just engaging for 12 months. But you can actually sell to 10 people an average per day in 30 days time. I'm very sure I'll teach you how to get it done. Okay? You can generate easily $29,000, $30,000. Okay? Very simple. Very simple, right? You can do it. I'm sure you can do it, because it's a 100% sharing business model. So I'm pretty much sure that this is definitely doable. Okay? But for some reason you don't want to sell the courses and you want to yourself start an e-commerce business for fitness product, I would suggest, why not go for the fitsummit.com homepage, check out the details here, and you have an opportunity to directly take up the business manager program, which is hardly of $99 per month. Okay, where you can learn how to start an online business. It's billed annually, or you can just purchase a turnkey e-commerce business if you don't have time to learn and do the entire work. Okay, so did you like this model? I personally feel that this model is definitely one of the best ways people can actually grow their business online. And in today's time, when the whole world is being in home due to COVID, I think you should look into an opportunity like this, where you're simply starting up an online business, working from home, getting the entire support from our team, and you're keeping your 100% profit sharing, right? So I would really suggest you to start your own e-commerce business. Visit our webpage to learn more, visit our consultant, discuss with them, click on this e-learning link and fill the form, and we'll be there to help you. Thank you.